37. Speaking. Want to become a better conversationalist?
Want to become a better conversationalist?
Here are a few tips for making small talk.
Here are a few tips for making a small talk.
Talking casually about simple topics.
Talking casually about simple topic.
To strike up a conversation.
To strike up a conversation.
Start a conversation.
Start a conversation.
You can make comments about the weather or the local surroundings.
You can make comments about the weather or the local surroundings.
Stay away from delicate subjects.
Stay away from delicate subjects.
Sensitive topics, like religion and politics.
Sensitive topics like religions and politics.
You don't want to get into a lengthy discussion.
You don't want to get into a lengthy discussion. You don't want to get into a lengthy discussion.
A long discussion.
A long discussion.
Or have an argument.
Or have an argument.
Have a verbal fight.
Have a verbal fight.
If there's a lull in the conversation.
If you're a lull in the conversation.
A pause in the conversation.
A pause in the conversation.
Ask the other person a question about themselves.
Ask the other person a question about themselves.
If you tell a story.
If you tell a story.
Don't go on and on.
Don't go on and on.
Talk too much.
Talk too much.
Remember that you're having a brief chat.
Remember that you're having a brief chat.
Quick conversation.
A quick conversation.
You're not making a speech.
You're not making a speech.
Be careful about cracking jokes.
Be careful about cracking jokes.
You might end up having to apologize profusely.
You might end up having to apologize profusely.
Apologize many times.
Apologize many times.
If the person is offended.
If the person is offended.
Having good communication skills can really improve your relationships.
Having good communication skills can really improve your relationships.
People appreciate it when you get straight to the point.
People appreciate it when you get straight to the point.
Talk directly about the essential message.
Talk directly about the essential message.
Rather than dropping hints.
Rather than dropping hints.
Trying to communicate very indirectly.
Trying to communicate very indirectly.
Of course, nobody trusts a person who tells lies.
Of course, nobody trusts a person who tells lies.
Says things that aren't true.
Says things that aren't true.
Or stretches the truth.
Or stretches the truth.
Exaggerates and distorts the facts.
Exaggerates and distorts the fact.
If you always tell the truth.
If you always tell the truth.
Then people know they can count on you when you give your word.
Then people know they can count on you when you give your word.
Make a promise or statement of the truth.
Make a promise or statement of the truth.
It's also important to watch your tone of voice.
It's also important to watch your tone of voice.
The emotion with which you speak.
The emotions with which you speak.
And avoid making sarcastic remarks or
sarcastic remarks.
Disparaging comments.
Or disparaging comments.
Very negative and destructive comments.
Very negative and destructive comments.
If you must make a complaint.
If you must make a complaint.
Try to give constructive criticism.
Try to give constructive criticism.
Criticism that helps the situation improve.
Criticism that helps the situation improve.
And if you need to ask a favor of someone,
And if you need to ask a favor, of someone,
always do it politely.
always do it politely.
Don't forget to say please.
Don't forget to say please.
Practice your pronunciation. Listen to and repeat the collocations about speaking. Making small talk.
Making small talk.
Strike up a conversation.
Strike up a conversation.
Make comments.
Make comments.
Delicate subjects.
Delicate subjects.
A lengthy discussion.
A lengthy discussion.
Have an argument.
Have an argument.
A lull in the conversation.
A lull in the conversation.
Tell a story.
Tell a story.
Go on and on.
Go on and on.
A brief chat.
A brief chat.
Making a speech.
Making a speech.
Cracking jokes.
Cracking joke.
Apologize profusely.
Apologize profusely.
Get straight to the point.
Get straight to the point.
Dropping hints.
Dropping hint.
Tells lies.
Tells lie.
Stretches the truth.
Stretches the truth.
Tell the truth.
Tells the truth.
Give your word.
Gives the word.
Tone of voice.
Tone of voice.
Sarcastic remarks.
Sarcastic remark.
Disparaging comments.
Disparaging comments.
Make a complaint.
Make a complaint.
Constructive criticism.
Constructive criticism.
Ask a favor.
Ask a favor.
Now do the quiz and practice exercise to test your memory of.
Xin chào các bạn, mình là Nguyễn Ngọc Đông Trà, mình là cựu học sinh của
Thank you. Goodbye.